Suzuki's two-stroke legacy, an interactive timeline journey. Meet the legendary object that revolutionized Suzuki's journey. This game-changer is not just an engine, but a symbol of innovation that propelled Suzuki into the global spotlight. Its introduction marked a turning point, transforming the brand's trajectory and setting the stage for decades of engineering excellence and thrilling performance. The Suzuki two-stroke engine stands as a beacon of ingenuity and power. This mechanical marvel redefined what's possible in motorcycle engineering, offering unmatched speed and efficiency. It became the heartbeat of Suzuki's most iconic models, captivating enthusiasts and dominating tracks with its distinctive roar and unparalleled performance. Witness Suzuki's humble origins in 1909 when it began as a small loom manufacturing company in Japan. The brand's relentless pursuit of innovation and quality laid a solid foundation, eventually leading to its venture into the world of motorcycles, forever altering the landscape of the automotive industry. In 1952, the Power Free set the stage as Suzuki's first motorcycle. This modest yet groundbreaking model featured a unique double-sprocket gear system, granting riders the ability to pedal with or without engine assistance. Its introduction was a pivotal moment, marking Suzuki's entry into the competitive motorcycle market. Revolutionizing the industry in the 1960s, Suzuki's advancements in two-stroke technology ushered in a new era of high-performance motorcycles. These innovations not only enhanced power output and efficiency, but also established Suzuki as a formidable force in the racing world, captivating riders and competitors alike with its superior engineering. Experience the captivating transformation of the Suzuki two-stroke engine through an engaging animation. Witness its evolution from a modest power source to a groundbreaking innovation that redefined motorcycle engineering. This visual journey highlights the intricacies and advancements that have made the Suzuki two-stroke engine a cornerstone of automotive history. Suzuki's journey through the decades is marked by breakthrough models that consistently pushed the boundaries of design and performance. A dynamic image montage showcases these iconic motorcycles, each a testament to Suzuki's commitment to innovation and excellence. These models paved the way for future generations of riders and enthusiasts. The unique design of Suzuki's two-stroke engine stands out with its distinctive features and engineering excellence. Special effects emphasize the engine's innovative architecture, showcasing how it delivered unprecedented power and efficiency. This design not only set Suzuki apart, but also inspired a new era of motorcycle technology and performance. In 1966, the T20 Super 6 made its debut, marking a pivotal moment in Suzuki's history. This model set new standards with its remarkable speed and reliability, quickly becoming a favorite among riders. Its success demonstrated Suzuki's ability to blend cutting-edge technology with practicality, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. An intriguing aspect of Suzuki's history is how a design error unexpectedly led to a major success. What initially seemed like a miscalculation turned into an advantage, propelling Suzuki ahead of its competitors. This happy accident underscores the innovative spirit and adaptability that have been key to Suzuki's enduring success. Suzuki's first Isle of Man TT win in 1962 marked a pivotal moment in the brand's history. This victory not only showcased the prowess of Suzuki's engineering, but also established the brand as a formidable competitor in the world of motorcycle racing, fueling its ambition for future triumphs. Visualizing their racing dominance, Suzuki's innovative spirit came alive on the racetrack. The brand's commitment to precision and performance was evident as their motorcycles consistently outpaced competitors, setting new benchmarks. Through cutting-edge technology and relentless pursuit of excellence, Suzuki carved its name into the annals of racing legends. Celebrating the 1976 World Championship win, Suzuki's relentless drive and innovation were on full display. This victory epitomized the brand's dedication to racing excellence, reinforcing its status as a dominant force. Each checkered flag moment underscored Suzuki's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. Showcasing the checkered flag moments, Suzuki's racing legacy was highlighted with exhilarating victories. These iconic instances captured the brand's competitive spirit and determination. Each finish line triumph was a testament to Suzuki's superior engineering, and the relentless pursuit of excellence that defined its journey through the racing world. Incorporating a rhythm that echoes racing beats, the soundtrack of Suzuki's racing history reverberates with energy and excitement. The pulsating beats mirror the adrenaline-fueled atmosphere of the racetrack, encapsulating the essence of speed and precision that has been synonymous with Suzuki's racing endeavors over the decades. The two-stroke engine left an indelible mark on modern motorcycles, influencing their design and performance. Suzuki's innovative engineering provided unparalleled power and efficiency, setting a new benchmark in the industry. This legacy continues to inspire current technologies, pushing boundaries and encouraging manufacturers to strive for excellence in speed and agility. As environmental awareness grew, Suzuki faced challenges with emissions regulations. In response, the company invested in research to minimize the environmental impact of their engines. This commitment not only demonstrated Suzuki's dedication to sustainability, but also paved the way for cleaner, more efficient motorcycle technologies in the future. The 1980s marked a significant resurgence for Suzuki, with the company reasserting its dominance in the motorcycle world. By refining their engineering techniques and embracing innovation, Suzuki introduced groundbreaking models that captivated enthusiasts and racers alike, cementing their reputation as pioneers in the industry. Suzuki's rise in motocross was nothing short of spectacular, as they introduced a series of advanced models that revolutionized the sport. Through relentless experimentation and refinement, Suzuki's motocross bikes became synonymous with power and agility, drawing admiration from competitors and fans worldwide and redefining off-road racing standards. The iconic RM series captured the essence of Suzuki's engineering prowess, featuring sleek designs and unparalleled performance. These bikes became a symbol of Suzuki's commitment to excellence, showcasing their ability to blend cutting-edge technology with rider-centric features and leaving a lasting impression on motocross enthusiasts around the globe. Suzuki's RM series captured the essence of motocross with its robust design and performance. The RM models, celebrated for their agility and power, became a favorite among riders. Each bike in the series was a testament to Suzuki's commitment to innovation, dominating tracks and setting a new standard in motocross. In the world of motorcycle racing, Suzuki's achievements extend beyond motocross. Their prowess in MotoGP and other racing circuits showcased their engineering excellence. Suzuki bikes, known for their speed and reliability, consistently outperformed competitors, earning a revered spot in the annals of racing history. Suzuki has set impressive speed records, highlighting their constant pursuit of excellence. These achievements are not just about breaking limits, but also about showcasing the brand's engineering ingenuity. Each record stands as a testament to Suzuki's dedication to pushing the boundaries of speed and performance in motorcycling. The RG500 holds a unique place in Suzuki's storied history. Often overshadowed, this model played a crucial role in racing circuits, thanks to its innovative design and speed. The RG500 exemplifies Suzuki's ability to blend performance with engineering prowess, leaving an indelible mark on the racing community. The 1990s were a period of technological advancements for Suzuki as they focused on integrating cutting-edge technology into their motorcycles. This era saw significant improvements in performance and design, reflecting Suzuki's forward-thinking approach. Their innovations during this time laid the groundwork for future successes and continued evolution in motorcycle engineering. The transition from two-stroke to four-stroke engines marked a pivotal shift for Suzuki, balancing performance with environmental demands. This evolution not only showcased Suzuki's adaptability, but also their commitment to innovation, meeting modern standards while preserving the brand's signature power and agility that riders had come to adore. Embracing cutting-edge technologies and fresh designs, Suzuki's new era of motorcycles captured the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide. Each model seamlessly blended aesthetics with performance, proving that innovation could honor tradition. As the motorcycle landscape changed, Suzuki's ability to adapt ensured they remained at the forefront of the industry. Recent victories in major racing events echo Suzuki's storied past, demonstrating that their competitive spirit remains as fierce as ever. These triumphs are a testament to Suzuki's relentless pursuit of excellence, solidifying their position as a dominant force in the world of motorsports and innovation. The legacy of Suzuki's racing prowess continues in modern circuits, where their influence is unmistakable. With each race, Suzuki's impact is felt, inspiring a new generation of racers and fans. Their dedication to pushing boundaries ensures that the Suzuki name remains synonymous with speed, precision, and engineering excellence. A vibrant soundtrack underpins Suzuki's journey, celebrating the brand's rich history and forward momentum. This rhythm, reminiscent of racing beats, encapsulates the energy and excitement that Suzuki brings to the world of motorcycling, inviting fans to be part of a thrilling and ongoing saga. Behind every successful motorcycle is a team of dedicated engineers and designers. These unsung heroes of Suzuki have tirelessly worked to innovate and perfect the mechanics, often staying out of the spotlight while their creations capture global attention. Their passion and expertise are the backbone of Suzuki's legendary status. The launch of the Hayabusa in 1999 marked a milestone in motorcycle history. Known for its breathtaking speed and sleek design, it set new benchmarks in performance. The Hayabusa quickly became a symbol of power and engineering excellence, captivating the hearts of speed enthusiasts worldwide and cementing Suzuki's reputation. Suzuki has consistently shown a strong commitment to sustainability, adapting its technologies to reduce environmental impact. By developing cleaner engines and embracing eco-friendly practices, Suzuki ensures that future generations can enjoy the thrill of motorcycling without compromising the planet's health. This dedication reflects their forward-thinking ethos. Two-stroke engines may have waned, but their legacy endures. Enthusiasts passionately preserve and celebrate these machines, keeping the spirit alive through restoration and community events. Their dedication ensures the two-stroke's distinctive sound and performance continues to evoke nostalgia and admiration among motorcycle lovers around the world. Suzuki's passionate fan base cherishes the brand's storied past and innovative present. These loyal enthusiasts proudly showcase their beloved bikes, from vintage models to modern marvels. Through gatherings and online communities, they share stories and experiences, fostering a vibrant culture that honors Suzuki's enduring influence in the motorcycle world. Suzuki's passionate community of fans keeps the spirit of the two-stroke engine alive, cherishing the motorcycles that have become symbols of freedom and adventure. From vintage rallies to local meetups, these enthusiasts share stories and experiences, celebrating the enduring bond between rider and machine that Suzuki has fostered over the years. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, Suzuki's legacy endures, inspiring new generations of riders. From the iconic Hayabusa to the legendary two-strokes, each bike represents a chapter in Suzuki's storied history, a testament to innovation, performance, and the thrill of the open road. Dive deeper into Suzuki's rich history and discover the milestones that shaped the brand. From groundbreaking engineering feats to unforgettable racing triumphs, explore the stories that define Suzuki's journey. Join us in honoring a legacy built on passion, performance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Share your own Suzuki adventures and connect with fellow enthusiasts who share your passion. Whether it's a tale of your first ride or an epic road trip, your stories are part of Suzuki's ongoing legacy. Engage with the community and celebrate the moments that make Suzuki an integral part of your life. Stay tuned for more thrilling automotive content by subscribing to our channel. Embark on exciting journeys through the world of Suzuki and beyond, where innovation meets the road and every ride tells a story. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of the open highway.